Okay.
Until
Can
now.
can we excuse the President? Okay. Sige, Mr. President, by unanimous position, you are now excused from the hearing. Mr. Thank you for
Ayoko, sir.
attending. Thank you, sir. Thank you na, sir. Whether you like it or not, kasi itong mga kaibigan niyo po rito, gusto na po kayong iparelax
Kasi,
po,
sir,
Mr. President.
may ito na kasi yung forum na maybe binigyan ako ng panahon ng Panginoong Diyos na makarating dito and I can talk publicly. Alam naman lahat ng mayors yan, kulang talaga ang suporta. Ang pulis ko, hanggang sweldo lang yan. May pag-utos, walang gasolina, walang pang-follow up.
Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, I think it's